Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we will be looking at few technical indicators, and we'll try to understand what the charts are telling us technically. So let's get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the chart of daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you see the current momentum, and if you recall, if you have seen in the previous video, the yesterday's video, we were talking about this thing that yes, the price is somewhat trading below than 20,000 level. This was the momentum I am talking about. So the price is somewhat trading below than 20,000 level, but you can just clearly see that there is a lack of momentum here. So the selling part is clearly not so powerful. It was not looking so powerful because of the price action, because of the falling volume. So, and that's the reason we might see that price will come back again to that 20,000 level, and that exactly happened yesterday when the price was up by around 4% or slightly more than by 4%, and currently it's trading at 20,400 at that level around. So this is something which is you can see that we can predict, or we can forecast by looking at the chart, by looking at the price action of the Bitcoin. Now what can happen next? We can see that this is one thing is clear, that the prices definitely hold up this 20,000 level. However, there are very less volumes available. The trading activity is actually drying up, but still you can see that you might not see a more fall at least in the near future. So that is something you can see. We might able to see that the price will again slightly moves little bit upside, and let me just tell you the level where okay, so very soon we might see that the price will reach to 21,500, somewhere around that, if the price holds up this 20,000 level. So this is something that is there for the short term period of time. Now overall it's not very bearish as of now in the short term, because the price is somewhat just taking a support here. So this is something which is for a trader, it looks little good thing. It is a better thing for a trader. Now coming to the Ethereum, almost the same situation is there, because yesterday even okay, so I can recall one more thing. For the Ethereum, the price yesterday, it was just hovering around at this 1050 level. So look at these candles. Even if you have seen the yesterday's video, we were talking about this thing, that the price here is not able to break and is not able to trade below than 1050 level. So that is something which is looking very interesting from the buying perspective and from the buyer's perspective, in fact. So that's the reason you can see that there was a 7% up in the price yesterday. So that was very predictable, if you know how to read the charts, how to know the price action and everything. And even we were talking about this thing in the previous video, that if the price holds up this level, we will definitely see that price will again come back to 1215 levels. And now just look at here that the price is currently trading at 1165. So it's very near to 1215 level, and you might see that price will again to reach to this level, and then you will see. So this is a kind of situation where because of the lack of trading activity, lack of buying and selling, the price is basically stuck in a range. And for the Ethereum, the range is 1215 as the resistance and 1050 as the support, and for the Bitcoin, it is 20,000 as the support and 22,600 is the resistance. However, for the Bitcoin, you can see, I'll come back again to the Bitcoin chart. For the Bitcoin, one thing is looks a little different here. Like the price is actually is not able to reach to this 22,600. So it's somewhat it's reaching to 21,000 or 20,000 level. So that's a very small range if you talk about the Bitcoin, because there is a complete lack of trading activity by the traders. But one thing is sure, that these two cryptocurrencies will hold up the support level, the current levels. And if you are an intraday trader, or if you do little bit trading, you can just look at these levels and you can play accordingly. Now this is something, so this is again, now I can see that for a very short period, maybe for the next few days, we might able to see a little bit upside momentum. So this is all for today's video. So please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button, also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any notification in future. So thank you so much for watching us today.